Good evening. Today is Wednesday, June 24th, 2015. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Coming up on News 13, more than 40 new wildfires have blazed up across Alaska, bringing the number to over 270 active fires raging through the state.
I'm Missy Kohler.
I'm Jamie Schwartzwald, and this is News 13.
Keeping an eye on the interior, News 13 starts now.
The number of wildland fires across Alaska continues to grow as 41 new fires were reported in today's interagency situation report. There are now 278 active wildland fires in the 49th state. Thus far, 545 fires have burned over 420,000 acres in Alaska. The mostly evacuated village of Tanana is surrounded by fire, most notably the 21,000-acre Spicer Creek fire to the northeast and the 37,000-acre Tozitna fire to the northwest. Closer to Fairbanks, the 13,000-acre Aggie fire is causing sporadic road closures between mile 34 and 35 of the Elliott Highway. An evacuation advisory remains in effect for the Himalaya subdivision at 14 mile of the Elliott due to the Hayes Creek fire. The Rex complex, which consists of the Kobe and Fish Creek fires, stands at over 18,000 acres. It's located between Nenana and Healy on the Parks Highway. Cooler temperatures today assisted crews in making progress towards containing the two fires.
Not moving very fast. It's more just a creeping fire, which is giving them plenty of time to be working on the perimeter lines going around the fires. Hand line, dozer line, and they're still actually prepping structures down there on the south side of the Kobe fire in case it continues to go in that direction.
As the Tozitna fire moved closer to the village of Tanana today, most residents of the Yukon River community had been evacuated. Firefighters worked to protect homes and properties with flames just under 2 miles from the village. Tanana resident Cynthia Erickson told us this morning that the last boat out had been loaded and that firefighters were setting up to fight flames if they got to the village. Erickson said that the smoke was so thick you could only see a very short distance. That has hampered efforts to get firefighters and equipment to the scene.
You can't fly in. There's no flights coming in. They can't even get crews in here. They were going to do a drop, but you can't even see. They evacuated women, elders, children. There's just really men, us, and some women that are staying, and then the people that are working for BLM, like cooks and stuff.
Wildfires are blistering Alaska forests with increasing frequency and intensity. Forest managers and climate scientists are trying to explain why and predict what's next. One common factor associated with the increase, which doesn't bode well for 2015 or beyond, is warm weather. Temperatures climbed 20 degrees above normal to the mid-80s last week in Anchorage, situated between a pair of active blazes, and climate models predict heat-trapping gases will lead to warmer Alaska summers going forward. 3 of the worst fire seasons on record have come in the last 12 years. A study released today from Climate Central shows the number of large Alaska wildfires nearly doubled in the last 60 years.